What's up, Faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. Prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey into the realm of AI-powered video creation. Today, we're setting the stage for a thrilling face-off between Pictory and Invideo AI in the ultimate text-to-video showdown. If you've ever found yourself lost in the maze of selecting the right tool, you're not alone. We're here to bring you a lucid, concise, and all-encompassing comparison of Pictory and Invideo. Bid farewell to uncertainty. We'll use ChatGPT as a guiding beacon, illuminating the path ahead. Chapter 1. Elevating Videos with Pictory, a holistic solution. Introducing Pictory, the revolutionary AI video generator poised to dramatically alter your video creation process. Say farewell to sifting through lengthy texts. Pictory is here to transform them into engaging, bite-sized videos effortlessly. Imagine the hours saved as crucial information seamlessly morphs into captivating visuals. Tailored for social media, these videos are primed to capture attention, driving traffic to your YouTube channel. Prepare to witness Pictory's prowess in action as we unveil its potential. Embracing simplicity, Pictory's setup is a breeze. Just follow the link in the description to create your free account. No credit card required, just a few clicks and you're ready. With your account in place, it's time to dive in. Upon signing up, unlock the remarkable text-to-video feature. Let's delve into what sets Pictory apart. Streamlined video creation from written content. Say goodbye to plain text, Pictory steps in, transforming your words into dynamic videos. Whether it's a blog post link or your own material, Pictory's AI is a marvel. It interprets your text, accentuates the juiciest parts, and makes captivating videos. By trimming the excess, each frame is deliberate, resonating perfectly with your audience. Yet there's more to Pictory's arsenal. Have you dreamed of hassle-free video editing? Pictory's user-friendly interface brings this dream to life. Whether arranging segments, eliminating the unnecessary, or weaving seamless transitions, Pictory empowers you. The true game changer, scene-by-scene editing, realizing your creative vision. And don't overlook the power of concise videos. Pictory recognizes the value of time, especially in today's fast-paced digital landscape. Condense extensive videos, Zoom meetings, conferences, podcasts into captivating snippets for social media. Time saved, attention retained. That's Pictory's promise. Pictory boasts an extensive library, from high-quality audio and video clips to photos. Crafting the perfect ambiance with background music is its forte. Voiceover preferences, yours or AI-generated, Pictory's got you covered. Adding voiceovers on Pictory is made simple, even if it's your own voiceover. Here's how you can do it. 1. Start a project and go to the storyboard. 2. Hover over Add Voiceover to see 2 options, record or upload. 3. When you record your voiceover, a dialog box will open up. You can click Apply to use this recording for the current scene or Save to use it later. 4. If you upload your own clip or save a recorded clip, you can hover over the saved clip and click Current Scene to apply the voiceover to the currently open scene. You can also directly upload or record your clip from the Audio tab, then My Uploads, then Voiceover. With the premium plan, you can apply your voice over to the entire video and Pictory will sync it for you. Pictory's capabilities extend beyond the surface. Automatic captioning takes center stage, amplifying your video's reach and fostering inclusivity. Diversify your videos with an array of caption styles, catering to all viewers. But Pictory is more than a mere editor. It's a comprehensive solution that births, refines, and optimizes videos. From content creators to corporations, individuals to enterprises, Pictory democratizes the creation of top-tier videos. Seamlessly intertwined with social platforms, it stands as the ultimate tool for converting text to video. Prepare to unlock Pictory's potential, where innovation converges with simplicity, nurturing effortless video vitality, transforming script to engaging video. To morph your script into an enticing video, follow this straightforward Pictory guide. 1. Select your source. Choose your input, either an article URL or your video script. 2. Analyze the summary. Delve into the text summary. Pictory's AI meticulously curates optimal summary sentences for your video. Modify or eliminate sentences to align with your vision. 3. Craft the storyboard. Transition to the video storyboard. Pictory's AI adeptly pairs graphics with summary sentences. Swap them out for your personalized images and videos. 4. Enhance with sound. Elevate your video with music and voiceover. The AI can propose a musical backdrop or choose from thousands of tracks or your uploads. Opt for AI-generated voices, your own voice, or even import professional voiceovers. 5. Thematic flourish. Themes offer pre-made animations, fonts, and color palettes. Infuse your video with customization, incorporating elements like logos, intros, outros, fonts, and colors. 6. Preview and finalize. Preview your video, then craft the ultimate rendition. Save it as an MP4 file. Within a few steps, your script metamorphoses into a professional video primed for distribution. 7. Streamline brilliance. Pictory streamlines the process, allowing your creativity to sparkle through captivating videos. Pictory plans, tailored to your needs. Pictory presents a range of pricing plans to match diverse needs. Consider the cost-effectiveness of annual payments, saving over 15%. Begin by using my link to access the free trial, an opportunity to explore the platform at no cost. Use coupon code DEBTBUSTERS for 30% off your monthly subscription. If you're a newcomer to video editing, the standard plan, $19 per month, might align perfectly. This plan offers 1.5 million Storyblocks visuals, the ability to create 30 videos per month up to 10 minutes in length, 10 hours of video transcription per month, 5,000 music tracks, 34 AI voices, and video format options such as standard 16:9, 1:1, and 9:16, which is great for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. The premium plan, starting at $39 monthly, suits professionals and small to medium-sized businesses. This plan offers the same video aspect ratios as the standard plan, plus 10 million Storyblocks and Getty visuals, the ability to create 60 videos per month up to 20 minutes in length, 20 hours of video transcription per month, 15000 music tracks, 60 AI voices, and 720p and 1080p video resolution options. For collaborative teams of video creators, the Teams plan, starting at $99 per month, fosters seamless cooperation. This plan offers everything in the premium plan, plus the ability to create 90 videos per month up to 20 minutes in length and add up to 20 members to your video editing team. Pictory's assortment of plans ensures a fit for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. It's all about simplifying and personalizing video creation for you. Make sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the action. And remember, drop a comment saying, "I subscribed," and receive a guaranteed reply. Chapter 2. Transforming ideas into captivating videos with Invideo. Step 1. Spark your imagination. Imagine having a tool that effortlessly breathes life into your video ideas. Enter Invideo AI, a groundbreaking text-to-video creation tool unlike any other. A mere input of your video idea translates into your first edit, eliminating hours of tinkering. Bid farewell to time-consuming adjustments. Invideo AI is your swift gateway to transforming concepts into captivating videos. Step 2. Seamless initiation. Embarking on your Invideo AI journey is a breeze. Start by using my link to create an account. No credit card required, just a few clicks and you're set. Log in with ease and let the adventure begin. No hassle, no complexity, a straightforward path to diving right into the excitement. Step 3. A journey into Invideo AI. Ready to plunge into the world of Invideo AI? Let's dive in and uncover how to initiate video creation within seconds. All that's needed is your text, and Invideo springs into action. Share your topic and provide clear instructions in plain language. Shape the narrative atmosphere with background music or allow AI to orchestrate it. Platform and audience considerations, just select those and Invideo AI takes the reins. Embarking on your Invideo AI journey is as effortless as engaging with ChatGPT or Midjourney. Just feed a message to Invideo AI, akin to sparking a conversation. As the magic unfolds, watch as text gracefully metamorphoses into captivating visuals before your very eyes. Invideo AI's keen analysis comes next, refining your creation. It beckons you to provide specific specifications. Share with Invideo AI your intended audience, video editors, content creators, or market professionals. This precision ensures your video aligns seamlessly with its intended viewers. Let Invideo AI in on your desired aesthetic, be it minimalist, modern, professional, or inspiring. Express the look and feel you envision, granting your video a visual identity that resonates with your message. Lastly, enlighten Invideo AI about the platform where your video will shine. Whether on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook, this information ensures your video's tailored presentation, maximizing its impact on the chosen audience. Step 4. The power of voice. Enter AI-powered voiceovers, a remarkable addition. Elevate your content with human-like voiceovers, immersing it in realism and emotion. With complete control, choose from various English dialects worldwide. Keep an eye out, as additional languages are on the horizon. Prepare for your videos to resonate with a captivating voice. Invideo AI will select the voice used for your voiceover. Don't like it? No problem. Simply describe the voice you'd like to hear in the prompt box and Invideo AI changes the voice in seconds. Step 5. Rapid transformation. Rapidly translating ideas into videos is a breeze thanks to AI-driven text-to-video conversion. Simply direct Invideo AI to create vlogs about travel, finance, health, or anything your mind conjures. Stretch your creative boundaries further by crafting educational content, commentaries, product evaluations, motivational speeches. The possibilities are boundless. With Invideo AI, your ideas sprout into captivating videos effortlessly. Step 6. A simple breakdown. To distill the process of converting text to video with Invideo, follow this step-by-step summary breakdown. 1. Initiate by sharing your concept to set things in motion. 2. Choose a workflow from the drop-down menu. 3. Elaborate on your video concept and articulate your vision for its content. Unleash your ideas as mesmerizing videos with the magic of Invideo AI, where innovation and simplicity intertwine to bring your concepts to life. Crafting compelling videos with Invideo AI. Begin by customizing your video to resonate with your target audience. Select your audience, platform, and preferred style. This informs Invideo AI, aligning its features, titles, scripts, background music to match your preferences. Need changes? Tweak the script using the Edit Script button or seamlessly integrate your uploads to replace provided media. Explore video editing for that final polish. To enhance your video further, leverage Invideo AI's potent prompt box. Enter commands like remove scene or narrate in a Midwest male accent to materialize your creative vision. Once your adjustments are perfected, give your video a final review before exporting. Your video is now primed for sharing across diverse platforms, swiftly connecting with your intended audience. These straightforward steps transform your content into captivating videos poised to captivate your viewers. Exploring Invideo plans. Invideo offers a range of plans to cater to varied needs. The free plan lets you experiment with AI video making at no cost. It comes with 10 minutes per week of AI generation, 10 GB storage, 4 exports per week with the Invideo logo, and over 2.5 million standard media. The Plus plan, priced at $25 per month or $20 per month with the annual plan, suits newcomers to video production. It includes 50 minutes per month of AI generation, 40 per month of iStock, 100 GB of storage, unlimited exports, and up to 1 user per account, scalable up to 10 users per account for an additional $25 per month per user. An annual payment grants users a 20% price reduction. Be sure to use coupon code DB25 for 25% off your monthly subscription. For both novices and seasoned creators, the Max Plan 60 per month provides advanced features. It provides 4 times the monthly minutes of AI video generation, 4 times the monthly iStock media, and 4 times the storage capacity of the Plus plan. Invideo ensures there's a plan for everyone, whether you're dipping your toes, starting your journey, or aiming to expand. It's all about enhancing accessibility and customization in video creation to suit your needs. Chapter 3. Pictory versus Invideo AI. Who wins? I first tried Invideo AI upon its initial release in August and was seriously underwhelmed. However, it seems as though it has made incredible strides over the past few weeks. The idea to video feature allows you to go from concept to content fairly quickly. I gave Invideo AI's prompt a paragraph that may have been 100 words long, and it was able to turn it into a 1-minute, 46-second video about that paragraph that was actually very captivating. It's no secret that I'm not a fan of most text-to-video software's text-to-speech capability. However, I'm told that Invideo AI uses 11 labs for its text-to-speech, making it worlds better than Pictory's text-to-speech features. I can say that Pictory's standard plan is more cost-effective than Invideo AI's Plus plan. Invideo AI gets really expensive if you're a YouTuber who releases more than 15 minutes of video per week. For example, I create between 25 and 35 minutes of weekly content. I would have to go up to the $75 a month level of the Plus plan in order to use Invideo AI for this channel. Meanwhile, I'd only need Pictory's standard plan to create the same amount of content. Pictory also has video aspect ratios that make it your best option for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This was a difficult decision to make, so I let ChatGPT tell me, based on everything I told you, which software was the best. Here's what ChatGPT said. Based on the information provided, Invideo AI appears to offer advantages in terms of its quick video creation process, engaging content generation, and enhanced text-to-speech capabilities. However, cost-effectiveness and platform compatibility might lean in favor of Pictory, particularly for creators who produce longer content or focus on specific platforms. The choice between Pictory and Invideo AI would depend on individual needs, preferences, and priorities. Now, you're acquainted with the Pictory versus Invideo AI. However, if your curiosity extends to learning YouTube's income levels, watch the video on your screen for a comprehensive guide. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.